Beta Enterprise Solutions have released the Colab Inc. game as another edition in our series of interactive formats to deliver great insights to customers.
We've tried to have a bit of fun with what is ordinarily a very serious topic, being complex ICT. Inefficient technology affects all of us, whether you're a salesperson, in the office or on the road, a manager with responsibility for the team, or someone from the IT team which oversees it all. In Colab Inc., you choose the character and then you're asked to respond to a few typical scenarios.
We've all been at work and frustrated by technology, whether it's getting a video conference link to work, forgetting yet another password, or simply trying to get through all our daily emails. Our Colab Inc. game aims to highlight just how unproductive these disparate or ageing technologies are, because all the time we spend chasing and being frustrated could be better spent doing our job. So I encourage you to waste just a little more time at work and play our Colab Inc. game to see just how unproductive some of the technology at work is making you.